Hi everybody, welcome back to Holly Harvest Farm. So we've got some exciting stuff going on. We have merchandise finally. So you may have seen us in a couple of videos. You might see me walking around with a Holly Harvest Farm shirt or sometimes a Holly Harvest Farm hat. Well, we got shirts that you can now order. We've got 3 different colors. We've got black, red, and green. And they all come with our Holly Harvest Farm logo on the front and also on the back, the big Holly Harvest Farm logo with our name on it. We had a lot of people asking if we had shirts. We had ordered some just for ourselves, and finally we've got our own shirts that you can order. So they are available on our website. If you go to www.hollyharvestfarm.com, you can find them there. They are $20 a shirt. Now, that $20 includes a $5 donation to the animals, directly to the animals here at Holly Harvest Farm. Obviously, we have to cover the price of the shirt. So that's the $15. The $5 goes directly to the animals of Holly Harvest Farm. We wanted to make sure that they stayed affordable and that you understand that any purchase comes with a tax-deductible donation because we're a 501c3. All donations that come here to Holly Harvest Farm are tax-deductible. And so you know where your money's going to. You know that we're not just spending it on our own stuff. We're spending it on the animals and on the farm. So there's that. We're very excited for it. Get your orders in. We only have a limited supply. This is our first run of the shirts out for sale. So we only have a limited supply of each color. We have small, medium, large, and extra large. So make sure you get in your order. Second, I strapped our camera to Jonathan's dirt bike and I sent him out for a ride. This was yesterday. The weather was gorgeous. So sent him out for a ride around the property, and that's what we're gonna go on today. Jonathan is gonna take you on a ride around the property on his dirt bike. Let's go see how it turned out. Let's go. anything. That's a good thing. You get a chance to see a little bit of the trails around here. We have a lot of work to do all throughout the property. And honestly, we're excited for this upcoming year. We've already done a lot and it's only February. So we're really looking forward to digging into some of these other projects that we have going on. Some other areas of the farm that really, we just haven't had a chance to go out and go do a whole lot of work on. So that's it for Holly Harvest Farm this week. We are so glad you were able to join us. And like I said, if you're interested in a shirt, go to www.hollyharvestfarm.com or go to the link down below and it will be on our homepage and also under our tab that's marked as merchandise. All of that, we're super excited to get these shirts out. So let us know, all right? Have a great day. We will see you next time here on Holly Harvest Farm. Bye.